love you. Say, baby, I love you. Say my name. DJ Merks. Hey, baby.
Hey y'all, so your girl here back with another video. How's the bob? Is the bob bobbing? I think so. Y'all see I was watching you in the back? There's just shopping for the prom. I'm late. But your girl out here finna do a mukbang. Y'all, we haven't ever did a McDonald's mukbang. Ever. Let me show y'all what I got done. I'm gonna start doing more food reviews. Let me bless them. Can't go wrong with that high C. I'ma always be an orange type of girl though. High C orange. But let me show y'all what I got. What's the fries coming out? Fries. The best thing on the menu. Got my fries. My little nugget. 4-piece nugget. Can't forget the barbecue. I don't know what that was. Can't forget the barbecue sauce. Yeah. Guess what type of burger I got? Guess what type of burger I got? You said a what? Y'all probably ain't guessed it right. That McDouble. But nah, I did get a McDouble. Ain't no point in no plate. Ain't no point in no plate. Just throwing up the burger in your hand. This burger gonna dry. You gotta pull your fries. So that's in the fries. Put fries in there. The fries just don't taste like it got no salt. I guess I don't got to complain about that. But come on, man. No salt? That's crazy. I was introducing a new segment on my channel. I was going to do I don't know. It's okay. Maybe because I like my nuggets like crunchy. I didn't hear a crunch, did y'all? That crunch was weak. That hurt on it. I know. I really do need my nails done, y'all. I haven't been since my birthday, and it's crazy that I haven't been to the nail shop since my birthday. But I'm gonna go. It's just been so hot in Chicago lately. I haven't really been doing nothing. When I say it's so hot, it's like 100 degrees. No exaggeration. Black Boat Friday, Black Yacht Friday. Black Yacht Weekend was crazy. So many people came down here from like day cities and stuff like that. Everybody got their own story, but everybody know about the girl who died or whatever, but it was just sad The whole thing was just so sad. It was so sad because, oh no, I low-key was kind of mad that we did not get on the boats. Like, our plan was to get on, but the boats that we was getting on, we had 2 boats, but they told us that they wasn't pulling out from the dock, so we never got on the boat. So we like, it was no point to get on, so it's like, I knew we was getting on because I knew somebody who ordered the boats or whatever, who paid for the boats for us to get on. They like, we ain't leaving the dock, so we just gonna go to the lake. So we ended up just going to the lake instead of getting on the boats, which I guess turned out to be a good thing because a lot of people had a lot of traumatic experiences. Even Nick know. I don't know what I would have did. I know how to swim, but I don't know how to swim like that good to be trying to swim up out of a boat. Like, I don't know. I'm so sorry that happened to that girl, though. That's not okay to happen to anyone. It could have been anyone, though. Anybody out there, it's like hundreds and hundreds of people out there on the boats. Like, I'm not gonna. But yeah, rest in peace to her. Heart goes out to her family. But the whole city knew her, literally. Me personally, I did not know her. But she was a lot of people's hairstylist. I went on her Instagram and she was cold, y'all. I'm gonna tell y'all, she was cold. She's a cold mamma jamma, even in pajamas. She was cold as hell. I ain't gonna lie. Whew, it's just so pretty. She just reminded me of my cousin. My cousin, she died too at a very young age. She was young. She was in the car with her boyfriend and somebody just shot up the car and she got shot in her back once. One time and she died. He got shot multiple times and he's still alive, I think. Like, he was brain dead and all that, but I think he's, like, alive and okay now. I don't know, there's too many young women out here losing their life to accidents, violence, whatever. I'm just sad. But the McDonald's so far, like, the nuggets and the fries is like a 6 out of 10. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, this burger does look a little bit dry. We can try it. See? Don't that look dry as hell? I don't know. Where's the mayo and shit? Dry. Yeah. Dry. That burger was a little dry. Had me choking and all. I just don't remember burgers being this dry. Like, where's the mayo and stuff? You feel me? Yeah, I'm so ready to reach 1K followers, at least 1K. Y'all go on my TikTok. I'll be on TikTok a lot. I got a Twitch too. I'm gonna check on my streaming and content creating very, very serious. Please go follow me on all platforms. I'm fine. Okay, this kind of do concludes my little mukbang. I thought this was gonna be a little bit more satisfying. It's really not. I don't know. But, thanks for watching this little mukbang. Sponsored by McDonald's. They ain't sponsored nothing because I paid for it, but it was okay. Housey, about the best thing they gave me, but it's still a 9 out of 10 because it tastes a little bit watery. But overall, the whole meal was probably like a good 6. It was like a 6 out of 10. It was okay. It was okay. Don't eat McDonald's though. I don't even eat McDonald's, so I don't even know why I did. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Your girl will be back for more videos. I know y'all missed my hot boxing segment, so I think that's probably the next video that I'm gonna do for you guys. And then I'm going to finish off everything else that I normally be doing. Are you guys ready for my hauls? Are you guys ready for me to cook again? Pranks. All of that is coming up, so stay tuned. And yeah, the bob is bobbing. We're going to be back with more videos. Peace.